Hello and welcome to 50812 Redwood. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a study condo is unbelievable. Price at $340. Do not wait. This home will not last, so give us a call right away. Now, not only is there a beautiful house setting here, but the area is fantastic. Some of the things you might not know about New Baltimore is in 2014, Nerd Wallet ranked it the #1 city to live in all of Michigan. Look how close you are to the lake. You can walk to Brandenburg Park. You just seen a couple of photos of that. There are beautiful docks, public launch, walk to restaurants. What do you think about that Brazilian hardwood flooring there? We're going to take another look at that. Another thing I like about this condo is all the little artistic nooks. This house is so solidly built, it's not even funny. How do you like that? Brazilian hardwood flooring, absolutely gorgeous. Now there's a study right off the main door here. If you were looking for a third bedroom, you could definitely use this as a third bedroom. The square footage of this is 1,886 square feet with a full 1,886 square feet downstairs. So you have lots of room. Cathedral ceiling in the living room. Corner gas fireplace. Here again, even the mantle work they did here, just simply beautiful. And if you come to check out this house, you got to look at the foundation underneath and the structure underneath the flooring. Whoever built this did a fantastic job. Now we're going to take a look at those cherry cabinets here in a second, just a little bit closer. But here's some more of those nooks I was talking about. You can really get your artistic on. Genair stove with a downdraft, granite countertops, tumbled marble backsplash. What do you think about this island? This island is huge. So if you like entertaining, this would be perfect for a buffet, and you walk right out onto the patio, so you can have a really nice entertainment situation here. So if you like to entertain, this might be the place for you. Now the area also features some things you might not know about. That's right, you don't want to wait because it's not going to last, so call us right away. Now we're going to check out the master bedroom, the other bedroom, and some other things. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the area. Some of the things you might not know about is New Baltimore was originally a village in 1867. Didn't become a city till 1931. Look at those pan ceilings, recessed lighting. By the way, all the rooms have heightened ceilings, so it really gives you some nice volume. Dual sinks in the master. But New Baltimore didn't become a city until 1931. And by that time, it was a tourist destination because there is so much to do and see. Right now, they're getting a thriving downtown area. Property values are going up, so this is a great area to invest in. Full tiled second bath around the shower. I love that. This first floor laundry, if you're sick of going up and down stairs, everything on one floor to meet your needs. Now this home does feature Anchor Bay School District, which is one of the award-winning school districts. This basement's unfinished. It has a backup sub pump system, egress window. It's plumbed for a third bath, so you can really expand. The patio we talked a little bit about earlier, but it's very private. The homeowner took the time to put in the landscaping to really make it a private experience so that you can sit back there, enjoy your coffee. And once again, the area is what is so important. Festivals. This is Brandenburg Park. You could walk here, but there's other parks. You have a vibrant downtown. You have vibrant festivals. Go to the Stalls Auto Museum if you've never been there. But once again, do not hesitate. Give us a call right away because this property is not going to last. I'd love to see you get in there. My name's Rich Sparks. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.